Manantial de Salud, Dove Springs.
So it's so important to pay attention to what we eat because there can be a lot of not healthy things in the foods and we don't even know about it. Some things can be high levels of salt, high levels of fat, and high levels of sugar. These sneak into our diets and we'll be eating them if we don't pay attention. So if we can take in too much sugar, that can really lead to diabetes. And we get too much of a sugar surge too quickly and it doesn't give us energy for a long time. If foods have too much salt in them, that can raise our blood pressure and lead to hypertension and lots of problems in the future. And another one that can sneak in there is too much fat content in our foods. It's a big way to add a lot of calories to what you're eating. So if we're working to get to a healthy weight, what we eat is super important. We have to think about our physical activity, but we also have to think about how we're powering our bodies and really think about how can we consume less calories each day. And eating vegetables and fruits are a great way to fill yourself up with great nutritious food with not all those extra calories or fat. Things that tend to be in their natural state, like vegetables and fruits, things that aren't very processed, those are the things that we really should try to eat the most of. If you look at the package list and look at all the ingredients and there's lots of words that you have no idea what it means, it's probably a sign that it's heavily processed and not as healthy as, say, fruits or vegetables. And when we're preparing our food, sometimes we can make small changes that can really make a big difference. Trying to use a little bit less grease or fat when you cook, trying to grill instead of fry, that can really save a lot of calories, but still add a lot of flavor and really allow you to enjoy your food and keep it as healthy as possible. Having a vegetable garden in your school, like here at Perez Elementary or at your home, is a great way to get kids involved. We find that if kids help grow the vegetables, they're so much more likely to be interested in eating and trying them and experimenting with new foods. And then you'll find yourself doing the same thing. It is never too late to have good nutrition. Regardless of whatever medical problem you're facing today, if you eat better, it will get better. Some conditions might even be cured. For our kids, eating healthy can prevent lots of medical problems in the future.